Good morning, and I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur and doing this journaling exercise today. The exercise is for the English group. This is a fearless and fluent speaking group, and the rooftop I am there. I came here a little early for sun gazing, and there is a metro passing. There is a traffic on the road, and Sunday morning there are some additional noises. Some construction activity is going on, so you must be listening some background noise of this concrete mixer. Then there are noises of hawkers. Then there are noises of these kabadis. Then there are noises of these stunt men. Here a lot of stunt person also passing from this road. They remove this silencer, and then they with loud noise, and now these all noises put together, they aggregate to noise pollution. And this noise pollution over a period of time continuously, if it is there, if you are exposed to this kind of pollution regularly, continuously over a long period, then it's a attack on your eardrums, and your hearing power also is reduced. Then you have to use those machines and other appliances to clearly listen to the voices for the normal sound. There is music also being played on the other channel. The process is still going on. I was a part of that group. I have done my role in that group. And Sudarshan Kriya Sunday morning is the long Sudarshan Kriya, that is also over, and they are also relaxing now. So these are the type of noises which put together is a noise pollution, and you have to be cautious about it. Some of the noises you cannot stop, some of the noises you can stop. So you have to insulate yourself from the unwanted noises. The measurement of this noise is done in decibel, and if it is exceeding certain level of more than 60 or 80 decibels, then it is harmful to the ears. And low decibels, low music or melodious sound, they are soothing sounds, they are good for your health. But then you cannot always have that kind of music. Sometimes you need silence also. So getting silence in this urban city on rooftops, and if you want to get that fresh air, the sun gazing, these are the associated hazards, you can say natural hazards. Some are man made, created hazards. So these hazards you have to take care, and you have to use your intelligence to set the duration of exposure to this kind of sounds, this kind of noises, this kind of pollutions, so that you can maintain your good health. I wanted to do journaling, but this pollution topic came in between, and I thought it is necessary to discuss with you guys, so that there is a awareness among the masses, and you can control, you can check on this pollution, and if it is possible, go for some silence courses and enjoy that life. This is what is a small message. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.